What's up, you guys? Sorry, I have this little cord here. I got my phone plugged in, my iPhone 7 here. iOS 15 beta 4 came out today, just with a couple bug fixes. We got the fresh new update installed on my phone, the fresh new hello screen. We're going to unlock it. So I'm going to enter my password. And here's a quick little thing. Software update completed. Continue. It's going to update our Apple ID settings like it always does. And this is the reason why it always does it for me. So I hit other options and I don't upgrade because I'm lazy. And this account's not used for nothing. Then you gotta agree to your terms and conditions. And then you're welcome to your iPhone. I have an automation set up to where it changes my wallpaper. It's kind of hard to sometimes. It glitches because when you restart your phone and too many notifications. This is it, but it's not this. So let me open shortcuts and show you guys that really quick. I know this is unrelated, but it has 229 actions and it fails frequently. So there's another fail. We're going to open this, play it, watch all these actions. It's got to go through all these actions. And it even uses calculator and starts solving math problems, right? I mean, what? But watch it. It gets the job done. I have this to run every half hour to an hour, depending. It gets really slow and laggy. The phone actually warms up just while doing it. There's a ton of process it has to do. And there it goes. That's the last one. It's got to turn reduced motion. Now, we're going to look at it. And now we got our weather, cloudy, 28 degrees. Pretty cool. Changes through this every time. So now, see that? If I run it again, which it would do in another 30 minutes on a normal run. So here, by the way, here's all the stuff it's got to do. It's got to find the shortcuts folders. It's getting all this. Let me show you the math problem ones. I think it's funny. I don't know what the purposing need is, but where's the oh yeah, right here. It starts doing math. I'm not even kidding. So it says width is greater than height. Photo choice. This is the calculator icon right there on the side. Number times 2,500. Calculator result -20. Get number with what the frick? So just a lot of calculator and math involved in this. And a lot of stuff. So if I run it again, 105 divided by 100. Just in this. So I'm going to run it again and see if it changes the wallpaper back. So this always happens. That's why I took another hour to add both in there. So it's always going to run the shortcut either way. So my phone's heating up again. It honestly, you can feel your phone heat up immediately. I'm not playing around. This is intense. This is a lot of stuff it's running through. Go home. Go back down. There it is. Pretty cool. Changed to this. So that's that. But this update I hope fixes one thing. So in my messages app, my messages were not working at all. People would text me in beta 3 and I couldn't even, honest to God, it wouldn't deliver to me even though my phone was on. It was just a mess. I reset my phone's settings and I couldn't access my messages through here. Like when I clicked on the messages, it honest to God would not open and it just froze the message. It just froze the app. So I went to reset my settings, which resets messages, right? Nope, my phone wouldn't allow. It got stuck on the line. I had to force restart it, and it finally made it through the process. And now my messages is back to working fine. I lost all my pinned conversations, though, so that sucks. Because I had to wipe everything out of there. I'm sorry for this. This is ridiculous. I'm going to just turn on. And focus mode is also very great. I have a lot of focus modes. I'm going to turn on my recording focus mode, and that stops this crap. It even turned on my iPhone 7 there. Pretty cool. Loving iOS 15. As you know, you can change this, so if I'm not going to do it. My sister's on her phone, and it kind of transfers on the same Apple ID, so it transfers between all the devices. So yeah, pretty cool. But everything's working smooth that I've noticed so far. Let's check the build number of this update. Let's see, it is an A, so that is good. That is very good. That means it's a smoother software in general. Very, very great. I'm sorry my lighting isn't the best. I don't have my tripod. So yeah. But yeah, that I'm just really insanely. And here's what I did on this. So went to automations here, and I got all my automations: 7 a.m., 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m., 7:30 a.m., 8 a.m., 8 a.m., 8:30, 8:30, 9, 9. So the reason I'm doing this twice on each one is because of, hey, that simple error message we get that I can't seem to fix. I get that cannot connect to helper app pretty often, so I have to add 2 shortcuts to run right after. So I'm able to, hey, run that shortcut without issue. It's a little buggy. It's a lot of stuff it's got to run. But other than that, the phone is doing great, and I mean, it's honestly, it's not as warm right now. It's warm. It's not hot. So that's great. So yeah, pretty good. Everything's working smooth. I can open Snapchat quickly. It's been an issue with that too. I remember back in 6th grade last year when I had Snapchat, it would take at least 15 seconds to open. But that's old news. That's on iOS 14. So I don't know if iOS 14 people are still experiencing that, but it's very smooth now. I can do very simple apps and tasks. I know a lot of you guys got TikTok, so we're going to try and open a couple apps here and test a few things out. So I know TikTok. We're going to load it. Oh, this has been all over. Oh, my video's on the For You page. Just ignore that fact. We're just going to keep scrolling through here. Everything's working smoothly. Videos are loading and rendering very quickly. That depends on your device. If you got an iPad mini, like my grandma's, it doesn't do great. See, it slows down sometimes, but the Wi-Fi's got to render that. It depends on your internet and device. Scrolling through my own videos, it's fast. Now let's do YouTube. Now the phone is warm again. It's very hot. So scroll through the very, 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 very quick. I can scroll back up very quick. Let's do something nose bleeding for this. And it's scrolling through the shortcut automations. I'm gonna open this again. I'm showing you guys this again. This gets laggy. Watch this. It's gotta load all the things it needs in all the file areas. I guess it's a little better now. But just do this a couple times. You'll get your phone heating. Yeah, it's warming. And the battery went from 33 when filming this all the way, yeah. And before I get to this, I want to make a quick update on everything. And you just see it go down again. We're at 23 there. We're going to go back into our settings. Our battery, battery health, 81. Battery, I can tell, is way worse than when I got this phone. My battery just went from 33 to literally 23 within 8 minutes and 9 seconds. It's poor. It's that's bad. Honest to God, let me see if I can find a screenshot now. This was at 9:44 though, and my phone is still charging about 40. So very sad battery life. Looks like we're still at 23. I don't know if this has to do with the software. I can't even really test that anymore. I don't have a perfect iPhone battery, so I can't even be a part of the test. And is it part of the software? Which it makes me sad. My battery health is too bad to test, so my battery's always pretty bad. I always got it, but I got a battery case. I'm gonna be making a new review on this. I haven't made one since June. It's still working great. Couple of set down issues, but that's expected. It does keep my phone very greatly charged. There's a bunch of these you can get. You can get Apple, you can get third parties, whatever you want. But it honestly does keep my phone charged and now saves me through the day with this 81% battery health. As you can see, my battery just drops horribly, and I'm a really, really, really heavy user as well. So yeah, that's probably why I'm an insane user on my phone. So that's probably one of the reasons why. I got all these widgets as well. This one is consistently refreshing, as you can see by the seconds. It's not like these, which don't refresh instantly, so it's using battery. Everything uses battery on here. You can scroll down there. And go to there. Just opening a few apps. How does it do? Okay, weather. Let's wait for it to load there. Great. Settings, great. This, great. 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 Oh. Oh, what did that say? Oh, I thought that said something else. Messages, great. Calendar. Oh, we got a pop up there. Continue that. Phone, warm. So I'm gonna open a few more here and test this out. There's this, steps, sleep, weather again, calendar, and feedback. I probably should have reported that messages issue and feedback. It was very bad. AccuWeather now. This is the more it's using our location up there with a blue dot, and there it is. Okay. So now we're going to go into our app switcher and look at all these. So we got a lot in here. What we're going to do with these is we're just going to close them out. Now this isn't recommended or is not non-recommended. They say keeping your apps open can help you save battery life, and it can help you not save battery life. It depends on your background app refresh, and you can check that by going. It's changed throughout the years, but it's accessibility. Or no, it's your let's see. It's changed within the recent software update. Very much. Oh yeah, it's in general. What am I thinking? General background app refresh. Right under iPhone storage, and then you can turn it to Wi-Fi cellular, Wi-Fi or off. I'm going to turn Wi-Fi cellular because I don't care about my battery life. Unless I really need it, I'll change it to off. But low power mode will do that for me. Will it? Oh yeah, see, it changes it. But when you turn that off, it goes back. Where am I at now? I'm at 21, so it's draining pretty badly. Other than that, we're still going great. So that's about it for this video. I just wanted to make a new post. And I'm going to be making another one tomorrow about like a couple new features. A lot of new stuff. So you get a lot of these. I just had to reset my iPhone settings like I said today. So I'm now getting a lot of notifications. This one's saying news to use your approximate location. This is just my approximate location. I live near inside of there, but it's a pretty big circle. So news would not be able to get my literal location, and where it's pointing with that dot is not even near where I live, so we're just going to allow that. There's a couple apps, and scrolling through here was very smooth, as you can see. Very, very smooth, no stutters or lags. I can take this and go. Very good performance. Ooh, slippery phone. You can take and go to your focuses. I can turn these on. I'm going to probably bug my sister right now, but we're going to do it. Let's see if I hear a scream in a second. Okay, stop. So my iPhone 7 is just killing itself right now. Same with all my other devices, probably. But yeah, that was smooth as well. So everything's smooth. What is this? Anyway, I must have taken that. But anyway, scrolling through this and going to edit, everything is just abnormally smooth right now. Yet. I just installed the update too, so we'll have to see how it goes as that. But yeah, that's about it in this video. So I'm going to put the battery case back in there. And as you can see, we're still at 21, and it will immediately... I know that's not how we're supposed to do it, but it won't hurt anything. Plug it in, and then this widget right here will update. And apparently, I have some battery in my battery case right now. It won't show me because I reset my settings, and it literally reset all my settings. But yeah, it looks like I got a good one. Now it's dead, and my phone stopped. But what did that get us up to? Nothing. Cool. So that's the current update on my iPhone 11. I'm going to do a couple of phone updates. I got to update my iPhone 7, which I'm filming on right now. I use my iPhone 7 to film most of my YouTube videos, by the way. Just out of say. So yeah, pretty cool. Most of the time, this phone's in the videos because, well, anyway, peace out, guys. Hopefully this software is a lot better than Beta 3. There was a good amount of issues along with the widgets glitchy. Alright, peace out, guys. Have a good day.